My seat memories of Coimbatore, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu, and nearby places. Coimbatore has pleasant weather throughout the year. However, right from October to March is the best time to visit Coimbatore. In 1 or 2 days, you can visit all the important places in Coimbatore. Coimbatore city is a developed city. It is one of the smart cities in India. Coimbatore, also known as Covey, or sometimes spelled as COVI, Covey is a largest popular city, second largest popular city in Tamil Nadu, India. It is located on the banks of Noyal River and surrounded by Western Ghats. It is administered by the Coimbatore Municipal Corporation. Coimbatore city is one of the largest exporters of jewelry, wet grinders, poultry, and auto components. Coimbatore was part of Konkanadu during the Sangam period. Coimbatore and its people have a reputation for entrepreneurship. Tamil is the official language and then English. Coimbatore also has a significant number of Telugus, Malayalis, Kannadas, and North Indian, mainly Gujaratis. The majority religion is Hindu and the minority Muslim, Christian, and others like Jains, Sikhs, and Buddhist, etc. The Mariamman festivals at the city's numerous Mariamman temples are major events in summer. During Mahashivaratri, many devotees visit Vellingiri Pundi temple by climbing 7 hills. Major Hindu temple in the city include the Perur Pattishwar temple, Tandur Mariamman temple, Ichanari Vinayagar temple, Karamadai Ranganatha Swami temple, Marudamalai Murugan temple, Loganayaga Srinivasa temple, Aswatma Varada Anjaneyar temple, Mariamman temple, Dhyanilinga Yogi temple, and the 112-foot Adi Yogi Shiva statue, which is the world's tallest, best Lord Shiva. The mosque is an Opanakara Street and Big Bazaar still dated back to the 18th century. Christian missions date back to the 17th century. Sikh Gurudwaras and Jain temples also are present in Coimbatore. Coimbatore cuisine is predominantly South Indian with rice and its base. Many restaurants serve food or banana leaf. North Indian, Chinese, and continental cuisines are also available. Idli, dosa, paniyaram, and uttappam are the popular dishes. Coimbatore has an active street food culture and various cuisines options for dining. For 4th century AD, Arisivarippu sadam and sambar sadam made from mixture of dal and rice. Kalan or mushrooms is a popular dish prepared with a simmering deep fried mushroom in a spicy larat until it reaches a porridge-like consistency. The dish is served sprinkled with chopped onions and coriander leaves. Chats made from potatoes and a mix of other vegetables and spices are also popular. The first cinema tent in South India was built by Sri Swamikanna Vincent in Coimbatore. Central studio was set up in 1935, while S.M. Sri Ramalu Naidu established Pashiraja Studio in 1945. The city conducts its own musical festival every year. Art, dance, and music concerts are held annual during the months of September and December. Tamil calendar Margadi. In Coimbatore, there are many museums and art galleries like G.D. Naidu Car Museum, Government Museum, Khadi Gandhi Gallery, and Kasturi Srinivasan Art Gallery and Textile Museum. Coimbatore International Airport at Pyramid is 15 km from the Coimbatore city center. The airport is operated by Airports Authority of India. From here, domestic flights to major Indian cities and international flights Sharjah, Singapore, and Sri Lanka. Sulur Air Force Station located at Anjiapalayam is an Airbus operated by the Indian Air Force. Train service in Coimbatore started in 1861 upon the construction of Podanur-Madras line connecting Kerala and the west coast with the rest of India. The other major railway stations catering to the city include Coimbatore North Junction, Podanur Junction, and minor stations at Pilamid, Singanallur, Irgur Junction, Periyanaikembalayam, Madukkarai, Somanur, and Sulur. There are 6 major arterial roads in the city. One is Avanasi Road, second Trichy Road, third Sati Road, fourth Mettupalayam Road, fifth Palakkad Road, and sixth Pollachi Road. There are 5 national highways passing through the city. They are highway NH 544 Salem via Perundurai, Chithod, NH 544 Kochi via Palakkad, Thrissur, NH 948 Bangalore via Kolligal, Chamarajanagar, NH 81 Chidambaram via Karur, Trishnapalli, NH 181 Gundalpet via Mettupalayam, Udagamandalam, Pollachi, Udumalapete, Palani, NH 83 Nagapattinam via Uttanchataram, Dindukal, Trishnapalli and Tanjavur. Town bus started operating in 1921 and most part of the city as well as other towns and villages in the district. Intercity routes operated by Coimbatore Division 119. It also operates town bus on 250 city routes. There are 4 major bus stations in the city. They are Gandhipuram Central Bus Terminus and Singanallur Bus Terminus, Ukkadam Bus Terminus, and Sai Baba Colony Bus Terminus. From Gandhipuram Central Bus Terminus operates buses to Tirupur, Erode, Salem, Dharapuram, Gobichettipalayam, Mettur, Satyamangalam, Kangayam, and 4 platforms. Buses to north buses here starts to northeast use the stand. And then from Gandhipuram, State Express Transport Corporation operates buses to Chennai, Ernakulam, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Tirupati, Thrissur, Puducherry, Mysore, and Thiruvananthapuram, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka, Telangana, and Puducherry. From omnibus stand, Gandhipuram operates buses to private official buses. Then second, from Singanallur bus terminus operates Madurai, Tirunelveli, Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur, Karur, Kumbakonam, and Sivagangai. Third, from Ukkadam bus stand operates buses to Palakkad, Thrissur, Palani, Pollachi, Udumalapete, Valparai. 4 places bus to south and west direction start from here. Then fourth, Mettupalayam Road, Coimbatore. Mettupalayam Road, Coimbatore North Bus Stand. That is Sai Baba Colony New Bus Stand. Operates buses to Mettupalayam and Udagamandalam, Gudallur, Konur, and Kotagiri. The city is also served by auto rickshaws and radio taxi services like Uber, Ola, Red Taxi, Go Taxi, so car, AVs, etc. Coimbatore is a major education hub. There are many famous arts, engineering, and medical colleges here. There are 7 universities in Coimbatore district, 78 engineering colleges, 3 medical colleges, 2 dental colleges, 35 polytechnics, and 150 arts and science colleges. There are several amusement parks around the city: Black Thunder Water Theme Park near Mettupalayam, Kovai Kondatam in Kovai Amusement Park at Perur, and Maharaja Theme Park at Neelambur. There are a lot of shopping malls in the city. There are Prarsons Mall, Brooksfields Mall, and Fun Republic Mall, etc. The city also has a number of parks including VOC Park, the Tamil Nadu Agricultural University Park, Race Course, Chidambaram Park, and Bharati Park in Sai Baba Colony, Coimbatore. Zoo houses a number of animals and birds located near VOC Park. The grounds are used for conducting fairs and events including the annual Independence Day and Republic Day celebrations. Singanallur Lake is a popular tourist place and bird watcher destination. Popular cinemas include KG Cinemas, SPI Cinemas, Cinepolis, and Inox. In the city of the Coimbatore, there are 24 lakes in the river Noyal Basin, based by the river Singanallur Lake, Kurichi Lake, Valangulam Lake, Krishnambati Lake, Muttayan Lake, Shivagashi, Mani Lake are some of them. Padanur railway junction is 66.7 kilometers from Coimbatore, and the railway junction and the time taken is 8 minutes. By road, the distance is 12.7 kilometers, and the time takes 32 minutes. There are many hotels in Podanur. Podanur railway junction was very famous in past years. There were many Anglo-Indian railway staff family residing in Podanur railway quarters. Now they return to their natures. Native countries. Ichanari Vinayagar temple is very near to Podanur on the road to Pollachi. Here is a cold climate. It is known as second duty. There is a big industrial estate in Podanur. Coimbatore is a major hub for manufacturing, education, health care in Tamil Nadu. Coimbatore is among the fastest growing tier 2 cities. In India, there are 25,000 small, medium and large industries, with the primary industrial being engineering and textiles. There are many big textile showrooms like Pothys, Chennai Silks, RMKV Silks, Strand Big Bazaar, and from jeweler there are famous jewelers also. There are famous hotels like Anandas, Annapurna, Gauri Shankar Hotel, Haribhavan Hotel, Junior, Kuppana, Astra. There are many Indian and continental hotels here. Indian hotels here. Tourists have options to select standard lodges, star villas, cottages, flats, resorts in Coimbatore. In Ukkadam, there are big wholesale and retail vegetable market, fruit market, fish market, meat market, etc. In North Coimbatore, there is big flower market, poo market. In Gandhipuram, there are many hardware markets dealing with electrical, plumbing, automobile, automobile parts, hardware, etc. Coimbatore, beautiful, developed, smart city with all amenities. Varieties of people live together here. Nearby, we can visit many places in nearby Coimbatore. The main are Adiyogi Shiva statue, height 112 feet at the foothills of Vellingiri Mountains in the Western Ghats. It is 24 km away from the Kovai Kondatam is a amusement park located about 2 km away. Maradamalai Sri Subramanya Swami temple or Murugan temple is 50 km away from Coimbatore. It is a seventh house of Lord Murugan. Sri Vellingiri Hill Temple is situated 29 kilometers away from city centers. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. EOC Park and Nilagiri Biosphere Nature Kodiveri